Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to set up and log in to an email account on Windows 11. I will guide you step by step, so even if you are a beginner, you can easily follow along. First, log in to Windows and wait until the computer has finished loading and is operating normally. If you see the Windows Mail app, click to open it. The speed of the Mail app depends on your computer's performance. Please allow the application to start completely before assessing its performance. Once the app finishes loading, enter your full email address. And click Continue. After you enter your email address, Outlook will begin configuring your mailbox. The setup time depends on your computer's performance and internet connection. Please wait until Outlook finishes preparing your mailbox and the loading screen disappears. Now, your email address has been successfully added to the Mail app, and you have learned how to set up and sign in to your email on Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future Windows and IT tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.